What up, YouTube? You can't stop trading and investing with your boy James. Hey, what a crazy day for me today. Broke a whole bunch of rules. I was lucky to finish green today. Crazy, man. I just did way too much. My mind was everywhere. And it happens in trading. And I was blessed that I still finished green. Crazy. We're going to get into all that. But before I do, man, please click that like button. Please subscribe. It is very much appreciated. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a guy that likes to research and analyze anything I find interesting in the stock market. And I like to share that with anybody willing to listen. So, that being said, let's just get right into it. This crazy day. God damn, man. Broke all my rules, man. So, first we're going to start off with AABB. AABB was an overnight play. I talked about it in the previous video. If you haven't watched it, please go and do so. Took my biggest loss of my trading career yesterday, overnighting AABB. Then it showed beautiful signs that, it was going to be a great overnight play when we're having this curl. And it was, man. We had a beautiful gap up. Bought 65,000 shares, which was just a little over half of my position I recently purchased. Just to play it on the safe side. And then woke up this morning, had a beautiful squeeze up to the 38s. Got me 3K back. Super juice. Broke my rules, man. I started off this morning $3,500 profit. I made a video this morning and I was going to put it out there, but I just kept trading and kept losing for the rest of the day. So I couldn't put that video out there and say, hey man, I already recorded a video talking about I'm up, $3,000 on the day, yada, yada, yada. And then I just started losing money. So I said, fuck it, I'm going to chuck that video. I'm going to make a new one and just keep it real with y'all because I got to post everything, not just for you, but for myself. So AABB, started off my morning with $3,000 profit here. Held a couple overnight plays. No, not this one. That one was horrible. No, I don't remember which one was it in. No, it's not in this one. Maybe it was in this one. Oh, yeah. No. I'm trying to remember. Sorry, man. This is how much I did today. I was ridiculous. Look, TSMPD, $800 loss there. LTNC, $500 loss there. I'm trying to find my over the night play. Was it in here? Let me check real quick. All right. Nope, wasn't this one. Oh, dude, I just did way too much today, man. It was crazy how stupid I was today. It was wild. Yeah, here it is. Okay, yeah, so started off my day with an overnight on AABB, $3,000. Started off my morning with an overnight on ILUS, made 443. Started off my day with an LTNC, made 25. Overall, I was up about $3,500, and I pretty much gave all of it back. Stupid. Broke my first rule, which is walk away when I'm up in the morning. If I'm up 6 to 10% in the morning, walk the fuck away. It's that simple. Didn't do that. Again, man, psychologically speaking, I'm coming off of, literally the worst 2 days in a row I've ever had. Gave the market like a little over $5,000 in the last 2 days. And then I made back 3,500. And for some reason, my mind's like, yes, let's go get some more money. That was stupid. So we're going to do a UAMM there. This actually was a multi-day breakout. This was the first day trade I made after I made 3,500 to start my morning. Seen it do the breakout right here at the 16. And then looking at the intraday. Let's go to the 1 minute. Looking at the intraday, we started pushing, right? And then it broke, pulled back, tapped the VWAP. This is the VWAP level, by the way. Tapped the VWAP level and started bouncing back. So I bought it in this candle, and then all of a sudden, bajoom. And so I had to cut my loss, $649 loss. Ugh. You know what I mean? But it's still, again, okay, I started off 3,500, and now I just took a $600 loss Still was like, okay, I'm going to walk away. That's what I told myself. Cool, I'm just going to walk away. TSMP presented itself. Same thing, TSMP had a multi-day breakout. I was just late to the game. Broke this level here yesterday, and then it just started having a nice squeeze, like a super squeeze in the morning time, all the way to 490. And then when it was holding in here, I bought it at 405. And then it just was holding for way too long. So I was like, man, I'm just going to sell it. Took an $87 loss. As you can see in this other account, is it this one? No, this one. Yeah, so as you can see, my open position right now is down 750, but it says 837 because I took an $87 loss in this account. And then again, walked away. Said, okay, whatever, no big deal. I just kept coming back for some reason, man. See, you need to find more activities to do, man. You know, I just kept coming back. I love the stock market, man. Even when I know better, should stay away. I keep coming back. This play wound up getting back into LTNC. Took a $500 loss. Started noticing it gear up. Seen a beautiful trend. This one I happen to be right about. I just got shaken out. Seen this beautiful trend climbing. And then we had this breakout over the 32. Let's get back in here. Bink. So, you know, when I seen this breakout, hold the breakout level here and start gearing back up, I bought it in this, you know, on the break of this high, holding over the multi-day high. So, you know, bought it in here. And then all of a sudden, this was my stop out loss right here. If it broke below that, broke below it. Had to take a $500 loss there. And then it winded up coming back, and it looks like it's doing exactly what I wanted to. Again, should have walked away. Don't know why I kept coming back today. I don't know why. But I'm learning a lot of lessons. As you can tell, I'm learning some lessons, and they costed me. And then started noticing this perk here, TSMPD. Again, I'm like, okay, TSMPD is maintaining this trend. I do know that TSMPD, their ticker symbol is going to change, but it was maintaining this trend. So I was thinking, okay, maybe if we get a nice pop before the ticker change, we get something nice, get a nice little squeeze in there, you know, I can make some profit. So got back in TSMPD. Now, typically, I wanted to hold this for a swing. Completely broke my rules because when I'm swinging overnight, I always buy the last 5 minutes of the market close. I bought it over here, you know, before 12 o'clock in this pot. Why did I buy it there? I was getting greedy, thinking, oh, if it breaks this 409, it's going to rip. So I'm just going to buy it now. Fuck it. That's exactly what I told myself. Fuck it. I'm going to buy it and hold it. It's consolidating beautifully in the 4. It's not going to break below 4. It's going to hold. Okay, yeah, smart guy. That was really smart. So, you know. Then next thing I know, just started tanking. I'm out of day trades. I used them all already. So $837 loss there, and an $828 loss. So gave back nearly $1,700. So I gave back damn near $3,000 out of my $3,500 day, man. I gave back about $2,900. I was lucky to finish my day with just a little under $600 profit. I believe it was like $587. But if you want to count AABB and my overnight hold on AABB, I was down $130. So realistically, I probably made about $450 profit, man, on all the things I traded buying and selling today. Horrible, man. I started the day 3,500. I'm finishing the day a little under 600. That is so fucking horrible. Over trading. This is exactly what I noticed, the behavior pattern that I've had in the past. You know, this is a behavior pattern that I need to constantly work on and stay disciplined to. But again, man, when there's so many plays in the market, that's kind of where I start losing it, is because there's so much going on. It's like, oh, I want to get in here. I want to get in here. I want to get in there. I want to get in there. And I just gave back all my money, man. So, you know, again, man, I was beautifully poised to potentially go green for the week. You know, was down 5K, got back 35. Should have walked away. I would have been down $1,500 on the week. You know, hopefully, I did wind up purchasing some overnight plays. You know, so hopefully, obviously, I'm holding TSMPD overnight still. Didn't want to, but I'm out of day trades. I literally thought I was gonna hold here, maybe close, you know, $4, maybe down a couple cents, but that thing just tanked off. So I'm hoping we get a small bounce in the morning, but I'm just gonna sell it regardless. And then the overnight play that I have in play is ILUS, because we just had this monster drop off. Just kept dropping, bouncing, dropping, bouncing. And then as you can see right here, the ask is already almost, you know, a penny and a half over. Bought 100,000 shares. I didn't want to buy any more than that, just because of execution. The first 1 minute today, it only executed 650,000 shares in 1 minute, so I didn't want to buy any more than 100,000. I thought about it, but I was like, nah, because I'm trying to get out as soon as possible. So the less I have, the easier it is to get out. And I figured after this huge tank, if it does have a nice gap up like it did, and I made a profit on it this morning, if it has another, you know, 3 cent gap up, you know, that's 2-3 grand right there. So, you know, I could, again, man, it's just been a wild day, man. My mind was all over the place, man. I don't know why I just kept going back. I would go back. I made my money. Ooh, UAMM took a loss. Okay, close my lab. Open it back up. Ooh, TSMPD took a very small loss, $87. That's okay. Just because I didn't want to wait no more. It was just consolidating for too long. Took that loss. Boom, closed it. Okay, gone. Go eat some breakfast. Came back, opened my shit again. Made a video. Then because I made the video, this was up. Started noticing, oh, LTNC still looking good. Let me buy back into that. Boom, took a $500 loss right then and there. Closed my lab. Came back to my lab again. Oh, TSMPD is still holding. Let me just buy it and say fuck it and hold it overnight. Buy it, you know, fucking an hour before the market closed with no day trades left. That's really smart, James. So, you know, boom, cost me damn near $1,700 for doing it. So yeah, man, very, very lucky to finish my day green. Such a horrible day. This is why they say it, red or green, you know, it's all about process and sticking to a plan. I completely threw my rules out the window. I should have just not traded nothing when I was up $3,500 on the day. But you know, broke a bunch of rules, and then I just went in a downward spiral of addicted mentality of wanting to be in the market, wanting to capitalize, wanting to make money. When it don't work like that, when you're in that state of mind, it's gonna bite you in the ass, and it bit me in the ass hard. So that's gonna be it for today, guys. Leave a comment. Let me know if you guys ever been through shit like this. It happens. I learned from it. I make this video. I'm gonna rewatch this video. This is gonna teach me a big lesson for tomorrow. So if I'm up tomorrow, I'm closing my shit and I don't want to look at it at all. So you know, it is what it is, man. But leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think. You Can't Stop Mafia is a mindset movement, meaning never stop yourself, never stop your progress, never stop your education. Definitely learned something from my progress today. You know, and I'll be sure to keep you guys updated as much as possible, man. So till next time, I'm out. Peace.